Just like when you're dating, every broker you meet is not going to be your ideal match. It's okay. For me, I understand when it's not going to work out between me and a potential customer because we just don't have the same communication styles. How can you tell if this broker is your match? Number one, how do you like to be communicated with? Some people like phone calls, some people like text messages, some people like emails. That is the first entryway to understand how you're going to facilitate your communication throughout your agreement. Number two, what timing do you have? Do you want to work with someone who has a lot on their plate, very busy, only gives you very short and quick feedback? Or do you want to work with someone who has a lot more time on their hands that can truly dedicate a lot more time, resources, and energy into your project? That'll give you an understanding of how you can facilitate your decision-making process when it comes to your broker. Lastly, this is kind of important. What's the cost associated? There are some brokers that are going to be discount brokers. They're going to give you the bottom price because they just want the opportunity. They're going to be brokers that are going to be in demand and are not going to budge on their pricing. And there'll be people in between. If you understand what's important to you in transacting or acquiring and or selling your property, you can find your match by understanding those three key things.